मेरा नाम आसिया जब्बार पठान है। मैं दूसरी जमात में पढ़ती हूँ। The with two grandmother, we packed our bags. We went to the bus stand. Our bus was ready. We boarded the bus. We found our seat. Our seat numbers were 11, 12, 13, 14. I sit near the window. I saw some hills. I saw some trees passing by too. I saw markets full of people. We read had Ajis home after 4 hours. She will come.